Bitcoin climbed back above $65,000 after the US and Iran temporarily halted attacks against each other, but the coming days are packed with major economic events that could trigger fresh volatility. Another well-known crypto exchange announced it will shut down, yet according to Tom Lee, such news usually signal that we're getting close to the bottom of the bear cycle. Stick with us until the end to also hear what's happening with Tesla's Bitcoin holdings. If you're watching this, drop a like and a comment and let's roll. Several sources revealed that over the weekend Donald Trump ordered the US military to stop striking Iranian targets. Iran's forces also paused their attacks on American bases in the region, creating a brief calm in the conflict. The de-escalation pushed oil prices down. A barrel now costs around $84 instead of the $93 we saw late last week. The crypto market reacted positively, with Bitcoin nearing $66,000 and Ethereum approaching $2,000. Still, some tokens remain in the red, including Shiba Inu, Monero and Polkadot. This week is filled with key economic events expected to add extra dynamics to the sector. The biggest one is the Federal Reserve meeting on Wednesday. The central bank will decide what to do with interest rates, and the most likely scenario is that they remain unchanged in the 3.5–3.75% range. As you know, if the Fed cuts rates, crypto typically jumps because investor appetite for risk increases. A rate hike, on the other hand, would likely push Bitcoin and altcoins sharply downward. Other events worth watching closely are the earnings reports from Microsoft and Meta on Wednesday, followed by Apple and Amazon on Thursday. Strong results usually boost risk sentiment and lift crypto, while weak numbers tend to trigger a risk-off mood and drag the market down. Recently, we've also seen an unpleasant trend: major crypto exchanges announcing full shutdowns. Last week, BitMEX did it, and now BITMART is following. The company, founded during the 2017 bull run and known for listing over 1,700 cryptocurrencies, posted an official announcement on X explaining that due to current market challenges and future strategic plans, it will cease all operations on August 26th. New registrations and deposits are already disabled, withdrawals remain open, and users are urged to pull their funds as soon as possible. The wave of closures doesn't stop there. DEX aggregator Odos announced on July 24th that it will shut down all services at the end of the month, citing an unsuitable environment. On the same day, Dango, a competitor branded as the Endgame exchange, also revealed it is shutting down. Trading ends on July 29th, and its own blockchain, Dango L1, will be halted on August 13. Storch joined the list as well, announcing a voluntary financial restructuring to resolve legacy liabilities and position the business for future growth. While Storch isn't shutting down completely, the move highlights how tough the current environment is. One of the industry's most recognizable figures, Changpeng Zhao, commented on the situation, saying, "We're going through difficult times." He advised users to move their crypto to self-custody wallets or use Binance, though that's debatable considering the platform has faced criticism and failed to secure the required EU license. Tom Lee, a well-known Ethereum supporter, shared CZ's post and called the situation a bright spot, suggesting it means we're close to the cycle bottom and better days might be ahead. Whether that's true or more exchanges will shut down, turning the situation into a full-blown mess, remains to be seen. Our final story today comes from Tesla and how the company managed its Bitcoin holdings in Q2. According to the latest financial report, Tesla neither bought nor sold any BTC, keeping its position unchanged at around 9,720 coins. Despite Elon Musk staying quiet on crypto, Tesla still holds one of the largest corporate Bitcoin reserves in the world. The report shows these digital assets are recorded at a book value of roughly $184 million, while their real market value at current prices is over $600 million. This means Tesla is sitting on a massive unrealized profit but isn't rushing to cash out. Some analysts believe this signals expectations for higher prices, while others think Tesla is simply waiting for clearer US regulations. Whether this strategy pays off remains to be seen, but the fact that one of the world's biggest companies is firmly holding its BTC certainly influences sentiment across the sector. That's where we wrap up, crew. Wishing you a strong start to the week and see you soon.